everyone, and welcome back to Ms.Cheryl's Place. I am so excited about today's video. If you want to know about my excitement, please stay tuned so I can let you in on the details. Okay, so listen. I and myself and a sister from YouTube have come together and decided that we were going to do a collaboration. It is both of our first collaboration, and we are so excited about it. The collaboration that we're planning to do is Christmas in July. Yes, you guys, Christmas in July. And guess what we decided? We decided that it would be the viewer's choice, and we would allow the viewer to do whatever it is, the creator's choice to do whatever they wanted to do. Who's this sister? It's my sister Bekki from Painting the Roses Red. We are so psyched about this collaboration that we've come up with. Now listen, there are a few simple rules. They're not that difficult, they're not that hard. Here they go. 1, you must mention myself and Bekki in the video by saying Ms.Cheryl's Place, and you also must say Painting the Roses Red. We are the hosts, however. And you also must put in hashtag Christmas in July 2019. There will be a playlist included in the description, but just in case you can't download in the description bar, you cannot find the playlist or add yourself to it. Please make sure you hashtag, that way we can add you to the playlist. Number 3, you must, so simple, you must at a specific time post this video on July 25th. The time is 8 a.m. Pacific time and 11 a.m. Eastern time. Yes, my sister is all the way on the Pacific coast, and we got to make sure that you guys get us together at that specific time. So again, that is 8 a.m. Pacific and 11 a.m. Eastern time. Therefore, we will be able to merge the times together, and it will give everybody an equal opportunity because she's on a 3-hour time zone. So the last thing that we ask that you do is that you create and it do be you. You have fun at doing it. The thing that we want you to do is this. It has to be Christmas related. One of the things that we want you to do is do yourself. Do whatever you feel. It could be a DIY. It could be a thrift haul for Christmas. It could be a shopping haul for Christmas. It could be a dish, a Christmas dish. It could be a Christmas dessert. It is your choice. We are giving the creation of this to you. And we would love for you to participate in this collaboration. And remember that it is due on July 25th. It is giving you the time to get yourself together. We will be posting this video today so that you guys know that we are sending out the alert. You will have exactly 1 month to get your act together, honey. And believe me, we cannot wait for you guys to join this collaboration. You probably are as excited as we are about doing it. And we would like to thank you in advance for your participation. We love you guys, and we really appreciate you guys. Notice one thing. You are always welcome at Ms.Cheryl's Place.